Hi everybody, today we'll be taking the blower assembly out of a Broan EBS1 insert. The first thing you must do is you must remove the filters, and the first thing you should do is always wear your protective gear. I'm going to put my gloves on. So remove the filter, and there's actually two of them in the EBS1 unit. Once the filters are removed, you're going to remove two screws on the light panel, one on the left side, one on the right side. I'm going to go ahead and get these screws removed. Once the screws are removed, the light panel will come out by pulling towards you, and there are quick connects for the lights. You can just squeeze them together. Light assembly is off. Next, what you're going to be removing is the support bracket. There's two screws there, and then granted, this is going to be mounted up inside the cabinet. There'll be two screws up on top of the unit. So 4 screws to remove that mounting bracket. And I'm going to go ahead and get that removed here. There is also one screw on the side of this bracket. We're going to remove that one as well. Remove these 2 screws. It's a lot easier doing it on the workbench, obviously. Once those screws are removed, the support bracket will come out, and then there will be a set of screws, 8 screws to be exact, on the top of the unit. And we're going to go ahead and remove, there's going to be 2 screws in each corner. All right. And that will release the blower. You can disconnect any wiring that's in the way, and that blower will come out. And there you have it. And you would just disconnect the blower from the main board. That's it.